Have you noticed your Android phone getting slower and slower? Apps take longer to open, scrolling feels laggy, and everything just seems a bit frustrating. The good news is you probably don't need a new phone. First, check your storage. If your phone is almost full, it can slow things down a lot. Delete old videos, screenshots, downloads, or apps you no longer use. Next, clear the cache from apps you use often. To clear the cache perfectly, go to the channel and watch this video. Another simple trick is to restart your phone. Most people never do this, but restarting clears temporary files and can make your phone feel much smoother. You should also remove apps you don't use anymore. Some apps keep running in the background even when you're not using them, which can affect performance. And finally, make sure your phone is up to date. Software updates often include fixes that improve speed and stability. Try these tips and your Android phone should feel much faster without installing any extra apps. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Android tips. See you in the next one.